Hello guys, and welcome back to another cryptocurrency related video. In this video, I just wanted to talk about our Prism that I created in a video just a little while ago. So that will be right over there. Just in the corner, there's a little eye icon. I made a video about this platform. It allows you to create decentralized cryptocurrency portfolios without having to manage all the private keys and actually store and trade all the coins yourself. It's all handled through Ethereum smart contracts, all up in the cloud. So I just wanted to make this video because our portfolio that I made had cost us $60 US, which was 0.05 Ethereum at the time. And we submitted exactly 2.5 Ethereum to make this contract. So we have just become profitable. Now what this means is that our portfolio, the value of the coins which this distributed portfolio is based on, has increased enough that we have now completely paid off all of the fees that it had cost to set up. Now I only invested a small amount, so we needed a very large return on our investment to just pay back the fees that it cost to set up. But of course, if you had invested $1,000, you would only need, what, 6% return to pay off the fees associated with the thing, where we needed a 25% return on investment just to pay for the fees of creating the contract. So there's a little update there. You can see how much all the coins on the underlying value of the contract have increased. The reason this one is zero, essentially zero, is because the contract is actually paid with Ethereum itself. So the value of the Ethereum obviously isn't going to change compared to the value of Ethereum. So 0 divides 0 and you get nothing. Also, I just wanted to point out that when I created this contract for the first time, it actually grew quite significantly within the first few hours. And as you can see here, the global Prism ranking is 55 currently. Now that's based off of how much Ethereum was gained by the owner of the contract. So since our portfolio is such a small amount now, we are global ranking 55, where when I actually first created this contract, it was such a restricted access program that I was number 7 at one point. Global rank number 7, 4% gained within the contract system. All in all, so far, I'm very happy with this platform here. I haven't had to really think about it. And in fact, I just loaded up the web page, had a look at it, and noticed that we had already made all of our fees back, even though I hadn't really expected to do that for quite a while, until the cryptocurrency space started to pick up and rally again, honestly. So the next thing I want to update you on is our earnings from our How to Build a Bitcoin Mine series. Now this was a Bitcoin mine that I built in my garage, and we have 2 Antminer L3 Pluses mining every day, 2 pro hashing before we mined on NiceHash until they got hacked. They're slowly paying us back our money now. But now we're mining on pro hashing, and they're just sending Bitcoin directly from our wallet. And actually, this is mining a whole bunch of coins based on which coin is most profitable to mine and immediately trade at the time. So it's actually maximizing as much money as we can possibly get out of these miners. So as you can see here, we have $67 saved up, but also in our Electrum wallet, we have been receiving payments, and I made a payout to our investors on the 22nd of February, currently the 14th of March, and we have $426 saved up from just mining in the background, not having to think about it at all, really. So that's just a passive income coming in the background. Now I also made another video about Hashflare Cloud Mining. Now what I did is I had bought some Litecoin, 7 Litecoin at $60 a piece back in October. It quickly, within a few weeks, skyrocketed to over $2,000 in value overall. So I made about $1,500 on my investment. And I went ahead and bought a Hashflare Cloud Mining contract just so that I could start my mining next day instead of having to wait for the miners to arrive from China and lose out on all of the possibilities of being profitable. So when I first started mining on Hashflare, the projected return on investment was about 2 months to get all my money back and start making profit. Now I knew that wasn't going to stand, but I also knew that it would take a lot of price drops within the Bitcoin space before my mining was just going to become not profitable at all. And it will take even longer for the difficulty to rise enough where my mining becomes not profitable and this contract would end. So we are about, I'm not sure, I think I bought this in late December. So we're about 4 months into the contract and we're almost at a return on investment. I'd expect to have all my money back actually within about a month from now. And then anything after that for the entire rest of the year until late December will all be profit in the form of Bitcoin. So in another video that I will link in the corner as well is a payout. I did an update video where I did a payout from Hashflare proving that they do actually pay out their customers. There's a lot of people worried about if they're ever going to actually pay out customers. And they do, it's proven now. At the time there was really high Bitcoin fees, so the minimum to withdraw was a lot. I believe currently, yeah, they still have that Bitcoin fees high withdrawal rate, so that's about $600. Just you have to gain $600 in your account before you can do a withdrawal to your personal account, which is worrying quite a few people, especially since the Bitcoin fees to transfer out of accounts is currently only a few cents to like 10 cents at the most, and you're gonna get your payment right away. So I'm not sure why they still have that higher withdrawal limit, but yeah, I'm not sure. I will do another video once I'm eligible for my second payout, which will be in the next couple weeks here, but I'm fairly confident that I will get my payout, and then I'll be at about a 90% return on investment, and looking forward to that profit. So anyway, guys, that was just an update to my mining and all of my other cryptocurrency portfolio stuff that I have going on. So I just want to mention that we do have a Facebook page. It's facebook.com/JoePotentier. That's Joe Potentier. It's the same as my YouTube channel name. And I just post little market updates, and all my YouTube videos go up there too, in just a slightly different format. I did also want to mention that I have a Twitter account. I tweet about things all day long to do with cryptocurrency, different technology stuff like Elon Musk. I freaking love that guy. And it's just a good place to connect with me if you have any questions about anything I talk about within my videos. And the third thing that I want to talk about is the Blockchain Bash podcast. I've been trying to do these at least once a week. They're generally just talking about cryptocurrency news and updates within the industry. So go check that out. It's at anchor.fm/blockchainbash. That's the name of the podcast. The link will be in the description down below. So thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. If you want me to make a video about a certain topic, let me know down below and I will definitely try to do that. And thank you guys so much for watching.